My initial impression of Kanthal is it's a very impressive company. It looks after its staff very well, takes health and safety very seriously, and has some really incredible techs, well ahead of the game on the kind of electrification of heating. So yeah, seriously impressive stuff.
What I saw is something unique with the old technology blended with new initiatives, and that's remarkable. You cannot see it very often in other parts of the world.
The thing that stood out the most for me was the potential for, if you electrify heating processes, just how green steelmaking can become and steel processing can become.
Even though the CO2 emissions are not very high already, there is a huge plan to cut it in half and so on. So this is really impressive to see the effort on this.
A lot of people talk about it, but very few practice it. And that's what I have seen Kanthal doing it. And I wish to carry that message, where electrically how you can heat and conserve the energy. And that's what we also want to do.
The majority of energy used in the steel industry today is from coal. That is going to change. Electricity is going to be the majority of the energy for the steel industry in our net zero economy. That is coming. Coal is going. So yes, I absolutely think electrification is the future of the steel industry.